As part of my efforts to educate and expose what's actually happening in court with probates, I want to talk about a really taboo subject, and that is alcoholism, sexual abuse, PTSD, emotional, and other trauma that exists in families all across this state. Now, probate is when somebody dies, and oftentimes that's when the family gets together and all the problems bubble to the surface. Now, in many cases where there is a conflicted probate, you will find that alcoholism, sexual abuse, some kind of trauma, some kind of something is what lies at the heart of all of this. Now, that can all be part of a normal estate that sails through simply because people are used to just kind of keeping their head down, ignoring this stuff, pushing it away. Maybe they've resolved things. Maybe people have walked away and aren't touching it. But what I find more and more is that when you're dealing with conflicted estates, that's when people are fighting, that's when lawyers are making all kinds of money, that's when there's all kinds of conflict. Sexual abuse, alcoholism, trauma, dysfunction, that's part of the mix. The reason why I'm talking about this now is this is one of those taboo things that oftentimes is the cause of additional expense, attorney's fees, fighting, back and forth. And if people don't understand and really put on the table at the front end that what this is really about is not so much the money or the what PR is doing, what brother's doing over here, but these people are struggling to resolve the trauma that's existed in this family for decades, long years. If we can at least get that on the table, I've pushed people into therapy to try and help them either resolve it together as a group or individually resolve it so that you can move on and get out of this. But increasingly, I think judges are going to start to see this. Certainly practitioners are going to see this, and we're going to understand that one of the ways that we can help move people through this process a lot more easily and maybe save money is by addressing these issues at the front end as part of our efforts and responsibilities to move these families out and into the back end. So if you're going to experience probate, if you're going to experience any of these issues, like, subscribe, call my office for more information.